Unlock the secrets to winning her heart. Discover how girls truly want you to act around them. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Natural Psychology. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting and often misunderstood topic, how girls really want you to act around them. There's often confusion about what girls find attractive, so we're here to shed some light on this subject. Whether you're looking for dating advice or simply want to improve your interactions with the opposite sex, this video is for you. So, let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the details, it's important to understand that every person is unique, with individual preferences and expectations. However, we can explore some common factors that are generally appreciated by girls. Remember, these are guidelines, and it's crucial to respect each person's boundaries and consent. So, let's get started with the body of our discussion. Section 1. Authenticity and respect. Authenticity is the cornerstone of any successful interaction with girls. It involves being true to yourself and presenting your genuine self without any pretense or facade. Girls appreciate individuals who are authentic because it creates a sense of trust and sincerity in the relationship. When you are authentic, you show that you are comfortable with who you are, and this confidence is attractive to girls. Respect is equally important in your interactions with girls. It means valuing their opinions, choices, and boundaries. Respecting girls involves treating them as equals, listening to their perspectives, and considering their feelings and needs. It is essential to create a safe and supportive environment where girls feel heard and understood. Authenticity and respect go hand in hand. When you are authentic, you naturally show respect for others because you appreciate their uniqueness and individuality. It's important to avoid pretending to be someone you're not or using manipulative tactics to impress girls. Instead, focus on building genuine connections based on mutual respect. Section 2. Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence and self-assurance are highly attractive qualities that girls appreciate in individuals. When you exude confidence, it showcases your belief in yourself and your abilities. It gives off a positive energy that can be highly attractive. Girls are drawn to individuals who are secure in who they are and can navigate social situations with ease. Having confidence doesn't mean being arrogant or self-centered. It's about having a healthy self-esteem and a sense of self-worth. Confidence is reflected in your body language, such as maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and speaking with clarity and conviction. These nonverbal cues communicate your self-assurance and captivate the attention of girls. Self-assurance is also about being comfortable in your own skin and embracing your strengths and weaknesses. It means being authentic and not seeking validation from others. Girls appreciate individuals who are self-assured because they bring stability and reliability to the relationship. Section 3. Empathy and emotional intelligence. Empathy and emotional intelligence play a crucial role in how girls want you to act around them. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of others, and it's essential for building meaningful connections. Girls appreciate individuals who can genuinely connect with their emotions and provide support when needed. Showing empathy means actively listening, validating their feelings, and offering understanding and compassion. Emotional intelligence goes hand in hand with empathy and involves the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions and the emotions of others. Being emotionally intelligent allows you to navigate conversations and situations with sensitivity and tact. Girls value individuals who can effectively communicate and navigate emotional complexities, as it fosters deeper connections and creates a sense of emotional safety. By demonstrating empathy and emotional intelligence, you can create a space where girls feel understood, respected, and valued. Section 4. Sense of humor and lightheartedness. Having a sense of humor and embracing lightheartedness is highly appreciated by girls. Having a good sense of humor can create a positive and enjoyable atmosphere, making interactions more fun and engaging. It allows you to connect on a deeper level and bring laughter into their lives. Girls enjoy spending time with individuals who can make them laugh and share lighthearted moments. However, it is crucial to understand the boundaries of humor and be mindful of what is appropriate and respectful. Offensive or disrespectful jokes should always be avoided. Instead, focus on lighthearted humor that brings joy without causing harm or discomfort. Being lighthearted means not taking things too seriously and maintaining a positive outlook. It shows that you can navigate through challenging situations with a sense of ease and optimism. This can help to alleviate tension and create a relaxed and enjoyable environment for both you and the girls you interact with. Section 5. Support and encouragement. Girls highly value individuals who provide support and encouragement in their lives. Showing genuine interest in their goals, dreams, and aspirations can make a significant impact. Being a source of motivation and belief helps girls feel empowered and appreciated. Supporting girls means being there for them during both their success and struggles. It involves celebrating their achievements, no matter how big or small, and offering words of encouragement and praise. Actively listening to their concerns and providing a shoulder to lean on during challenging times demonstrates your support and empathy. Encouragement is essential in helping girls reach their full potential. It involves inspiring and motivating them to pursue their passions and dreams. Offering constructive feedback and guidance when requested can be invaluable in their personal growth and development. Remember, support and encouragement should come from a genuine place of care and respect. It's important to be a reliable and trustworthy presence in their lives. By providing support and encouragement, you create a nurturing environment where girls feel valued, supported, and inspired to achieve their goals. Section 6. Balance and boundaries. Striking a balance between giving attention and respecting personal space is crucial when it comes to how girls want you to act around them. It's important to recognize and honor their boundaries. Everyone has different needs and preferences for personal space and time. Being too clingy or possessive can make the other person feel suffocated and may lead to resentment. Respecting boundaries means understanding that each individual needs their own time and independence. Encourage and support their pursuit of personal interests and hobbies. Give them space to grow and explore their own individuality while maintaining a healthy connection. At the same time, nurturing the relationship is essential. Find a balance where you can spend quality time together, engage in shared activities, and create meaningful experiences. Communication is key in understanding each other's needs and finding a middle ground that works for both of you. Remember that setting and respecting boundaries goes both ways. Make sure you also communicate your own needs and preferences clearly. This allows for a mutual understanding and helps maintain a healthy dynamic where both individuals feel respected, valued, and able to maintain their sense of self within the relationship. Section 7. Honesty and communication. Finally, open and honest communication is a cornerstone of any successful relationship. Girls appreciate guys who can express their thoughts, feelings, and intentions clearly. Being honest means being genuine and transparent in your interactions. Avoid playing games or resorting to passive-aggressive behavior. Instead, be upfront about your expectations, desires, and concerns, while encouraging them to do the same. This creates a foundation of trust and understanding. Effective communication involves active listening. Girls want to feel heard and understood, so make an effort to pay attention to what they're saying without interrupting or dismissing their thoughts. Show genuine interest by asking follow-up questions and engaging in meaningful conversations. In addition to verbal communication, nonverbal cues play a significant role. Pay attention to body language and facial expressions, as they can often convey emotions that words may not express. Be aware of your own nonverbal cues as well, ensuring they align with your intended message. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how girls truly want you to act around them. Remember, these are general guidelines, and it's crucial to consider each person's individuality and preferences. By embracing authenticity, respecting boundaries, and demonstrating qualities like confidence, empathy, and humor, you can foster meaningful connections with the girls in your life. We hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more relationship advice and tips. Let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.